I'm here with my Dash Mini Waffle Maker, and I am going to be making a dairy-free chaffle.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
So a chaffle is a waffle that is made with cheese and egg, and instead of making it with cheese, I'm going to make it with some tahini, some salt, and some hot sauce, along with an egg. So I have one beaten egg here. And the reason why I chose tahini, hot sauce, and salt is because when you think of cheese, what is cheese? Cheese is fat and salt. That's the flavors that we get out of cheese. So I decided to use a nut butter. I could have used almond butter if I had it, but I have tahini, so I'm going to use that along with some additional salt. And then just to give it a little bit of color and a little bit more flavor, I'm going to add just a little bit of hot sauce. I have found that if I mix tahini with hot sauce, it tastes like cheese. So that's why I'm using these ingredients also. So right now the waffle maker is heating up. This is creamy, squeezable tahini. So I'm going to shake this, and I'm going to put about 1 or 2 tablespoons in with the egg. I'm just going to squeeze it in. That's about 1 tablespoon. That's about 2 tablespoons. We'll do a little bit more. I'm going to stir this into the egg. Okay, now I'm going to add the salt. I don't like it very salty, so I just added a few pinches of salt. And then I'm going to add a little bit of hot sauce. Let's see if that's enough. Let's stir it up. Add a little bit more. So right now it is a nice consistency. It's probably the consistency of waffle batter. So let's open the waffle maker up. And I'm gonna get some of my non-stick spray just to make sure this doesn't stick. Now I'm gonna pour the batter into the waffle maker. Okay, that looks good. I'm gonna close it up and let's cook that for a few minutes. Look how much it's growing. It is just bursting out of this waffle maker. This is organic tahini from Mighty Sesame Company. I got this at Lidl, but you could also buy this at other stores. What I like about it is that it's vegan, it's plant-based, and there's only one ingredient. And the only ingredient is roasted, peeled, organic sesame seeds. So that's really great. So it's been 4 minutes now. Let's check on this chaffle. Look at that. Look at that chaffle. It's firm on top. Let's look at the bottom. Look at that. What a beautiful chaffle, and the only ingredients are an egg, some sesame seeds, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of hot sauce. That looks really great, doesn't it? Now it is deflating a little bit because I have it on a plate. If I put this on like a wire rack or something, it would stay crispier. That looks so good. So now I'm going to try it. It's really good. It does not taste like sesame seeds. if someone made this for me and they did not tell me what was in it, I would probably think it was egg and cheese. But I would also think that there's some kind of flour in it, because it does have like a drier texture like a regular waffle does, like a waffle made with flour. I definitely taste the eggs. This is really good. Now, if you don't have tahini, you could probably make this with peanut butter. It would change the flavor a little bit, but it should come out the same way. So I know that chaffles are a thing for people on the keto diet or people that are doing low carb diets. And with tahini, for 2 tablespoons of tahini, there are 18 grams of fat, 8 grams of protein, and only 4 grams of carbs. So that's pretty low carb. And by using tahini, it is a much healthier option than using cheese. And that is how you can make a dairy-free chaffle in a Dash Mini Waffle Maker. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like me to post more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.